Should be pretty good right there. Alright guys, I got my smoker set at 180 just to warm it up a little bit, just to knock off whatever's inside. Let's go ahead and get started on these ribs. Alright guys, today we're using the Uncle Steve barbecue sauce with no name. Bomb. But this is the start of the show, the magic ribs. Check it out. I did taste it out of the bottle and it tastes absolutely fantastic, just like always. Uncle Steve always hooks it up. I will leave all his information down below. Make sure you guys buy some of his rubs. If you mention 805, he'll hook you up. And make sure you guys try this out. This is his new rub. I did see a few videos already on it, but I bought 6 bags of baby backs. And we're gonna try out this rub, the magic rib, and more. Uncle Steve, shout out to you, brother. Thank you for always hooking it up and supporting the channel, bro. Thank you. All right, guys, let's get straight to the ribs. It's gonna be easy, quick. All we're gonna do is just remove the membrane, season them, throw them in the smoker, a few hours, and bam, they're done. So stick around and I'll show you guys how to do this. Fácil. So I just wanted to show you guys. It wasn't really part of the cook, but I'm gonna show you guys anyways. You already know that I'm rocking the Rosie brand. It's my favorite brand of all. All I'm gonna do is dress it up with Texas Cajun with Uncle Steve. It's pretty simple cook on this one, but I just wanted to show you guys real quick. Get under the wings, and then we're gonna go inside the cavity as well. That should be good right there. That's it. Go ahead and put this bad boy in the smoker. Hey, what's up, guys? Shit. Oh man, gotta have fun. Gotta have fun while we do these cooks. All right, let's go straight to the smoker. What's up? Shit. You already know I rock the ZGRILLS. All right, let's say where we can put this little guy. Put him right there. Let him chill out. So let's go ahead and prep the ribs. It's gonna be quick and easy. You know those damn birds right there? I'm gonna cook them next. I'm gonna cook those birds next if they don't shut up. Yes, beautiful, just beautiful. Get a nice coat on there. That's pretty much it, guys. Nothing to it, right? Pat that in a little bit. And it's all right. You're not gonna over season. This is not heavy salt base, and that's what I like about Uncle Steve. His rubs are not with filler of salt, if you will. So I really don't put too much on this side, and it's not. This is not the side you're gonna be eating. It's this side right here with all the meat. Nice and generous. Look at that color. Isn't that beautiful color, guys? I can imagine what it's gonna look like when it's cooked. Gorgeous, gorgeous color. If you're watching your calorie count, it's only 4 calories. Not too bad. Anyways, let's go ahead and put these ribs straight into the smoker. Telling you guys, I'm gonna eat one of those birds pretty soon. I do have the smoker at 225. Hopefully you guys can catch that. It'll be 225 for the first 2 hours maybe, and then I'll switch it up. All right guys, let's go ahead and load this up. Got the pretty birdie in there. I'm gonna just go ahead and get these ribs in right here. Kind of squeeze them together a little bit there, or try to anyways. Look at that color. It's amazing. Try to get them nice and Just like that, guys. And the last 2 racks, kind of push it together right there. That's what I was trying to do in the bottom, but it's not gonna work. But try to anyways. All right, guys, that's it. At 225, bring you back in 2 hours, and then we'll turn up the heat. All right, guys, this has been rocking probably 2.5 hours, 3 hours. Oh yeah, baby. Check that out. Look at that color, it's amazing. I had to move the bird up here because it was burning down there. Wow, they're already tender. But I'm gonna get these. I want to get these ribs fall off the bone. Gorgeous rib. So this is what we're gonna do. We're gonna get a little bit of light brown sugar. Not too much. We're gonna get some local honey. Just drizzle it on just a little bit. Shoot, there goes the cap. And then we're gonna put meat side down. We're gonna just cover this. You know what? Just put a little bit of brown sugar there as well. This is heavy duty foil. Gonna go nice and tight. And this will go back on the smoker. Meat side down. Put this back on the smoker. And I'll continue wrapping the rest. Woo! Beautiful, guys. Just beautiful. Alright, guys, so I got a little bit of butter right here. It is salted. And I got the barbecue sauce with no name. And we will put the whole container. Just like that, guys. We're gonna put this in the smoker. We're gonna let this melt. And then we'll baste our ribs when we're ready. Stick around. The reason I added the butter and the barbecue sauce together instead of inside of the ribs, I want to be able to control what I put on the ribs. Not only that, I want the sauce to be heated up so it'll be nice and runny. I'll just go right here. It'll chill out right there. These ribs should be done, I don't know, half hour or so, maybe an hour. I did put the chicken. Can you guys see it? I did put a little bit of barbecue sauce in the chicken. It is ready. It tempted at 177. I'm gonna leave it in there just a little bit longer just for the sauce to tack up on the chicken. All right, guys. It's about half hour that passed. They're pretty tender. But let's check them out real quick. Let's check for temp. Got 190, 199. Just for you guys that are keeping record. But the way you can tell is when you hit the meat, when you poke the meat, it should feel like butter. And that's pretty much butter to me. So what we're gonna do is flip this over. Look at that. Goodness gracious. Let me get our little mixture here. Kind of mix this up a little bit. Drizzle it on there just a little bit. Just like that. I'm gonna let this tack up. Then I'm gonna go ahead and do the rest on all the ribs. Exactly like this, guys. I'm gonna just baste them. I'm gonna baste these every 5 to 10 minutes. Just like so, guys. Look at an amazing color. All right, that looks good by right there. Let's go ahead and close this bad boy up. Cabron, stick around, guys. Bring it back. Alrighty, guys. Just pulled this bad boy out of the smoker. Let's go ahead and cut that little one right here. Ooh, they're hot. They are really hot. All right. Let's see if I can pick this bad boy up. It's nice and juicy. Beautiful smoke ring. All right, guys, let's go for a taste. Magic ribs from Uncle Steve. Let's check them out. It's nice and juicy, nice and sticky. My mouth is watering. Cheers. My God. I'm not gonna lie to you guys. I've done quite a bit of ribs in my days. This rib right here, fantastic. 10 out of 10. And I'm not joking with you guys. This is a true, honest opinion. You know, guys, that magic rib is freaking bomb. And I'm telling you guys straight up, it's freaking fantastic. It was good right out of the bottle, but it's way better on the rib. You guys want to do me a favor? My last video I posted, I think I only got like 20, 30 likes. So you guys like the video and share it to your gente. It would help out the channel big time. You already know. Gracias for watching the 805 Barbecue Junkie. Make it count, because time is short. I'll catch you guys on the next video. You guys take care. God bless you guys.